Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Nissan Frontier key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's important to work in a clean, well-lit area to prevent losing small parts. Take care to protect the key fob's plastic casing from any scratches during the process. This simple preparation ensures a smooth battery replacement. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on the side or bottom of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic clips inside. The halves should separate with a soft click. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them securely click shut. This indicates a proper seal. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Lastly, test all the key fob's functions to confirm the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.